মোৰ মনত আছে জুনাইত প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াৰ মিটিং আছিলে অন দা ষ্টেজ মিশ্ৰ আছিলে মই আছিলো প্ৰধান ডাঙৰীয়া আছিল আমি গুটেইবোৰ আছিলো তাতে হল যে নহয় 31 মাৰ্চৰ আগত আমি টকাটো দিব লাগে আমাৰ পসিবল নহয় কাৰণ বাই দিস টাইম আমি এই বছৰ ডিসইনভেষ্টমেন্ট নহব বুলি we start spending our money in different area so ধৰ্মেন্দ্ৰ প্ৰধান ডাঙৰীয়াক মই ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছিলো যে কি কৰা যায় তো প্ৰধান ডাঙৰীয়া আমাক কৈছিলে যে you contribute a token amount for the current year next year ami gute amount to loi jam and in the meantime oil will give money to government of India on behalf of government of Assam so oil has already deposited 2150 crores on behalf of government of Assam to the disinvestment or central government of teoluke di dile so we paid 500 crore during that point of time today we are paying another 500 and by September we'll clear other 1100 crores also because otherwise we have to keep on paying interest so with this Assam government from now will have 26% share in NRL now why NRL is so important আমি NRL ত কিয় ইনভেস্ট কৰিব লাগে প্ৰথম কথা যে NRL এটা একৰ্ড ৰিফাইনাৰী সুক্তি ৰিফাইনাৰী it has a emotional connect but decision on finance is not takes on the basis of emotions আমি যদিও অসমৰ মানুহ আবেগিক হয় but as a finance minister probably now as a chief minister মই আবেগক যুক্তিৰ আগত আহিব দিব নোৱাৰো I have to be restrained on that count but this is a very very prudent business decision last year we got with 12% share we got 335 crore as a dividend from Numaligarh so now with 26% our dividend will be if everything otherwise market is stable market behave the way they behaved last year because it also depends on crude prices there is no predictability but obviously it will be 500 crore plus so in 4 years our investment will come back hoito 6th year it will come back or along with the interest jitu ami ei paisa khini jodi belek kamot invest koiloten jitu interest palu eten even if we calculate 8% interest hopefully all this investment will come back to us by way of dividend in next 4 to 5 years and then we will own that asset 26% but this is not what potential of NRL as of now apunaluke jane je NRL is embarking a huge mission that now they have a production capacity refining capacity of 3 MMT 3 million metric tons NRL has already got approval from government of India to enhance its capacity to 9 MMT so I should compliment NRL and its MD Mr. Borua because we tried lot of formal and informal channel to get that investment cleared from different bureaucratic layers probably I still remember that Mr. Boru and me we went to the even residence of the then revenue secretary to pursue that matter so every decision has lot of stories lot of things to tell that thake but that kind of effort is there on the part of NRL management and plus Modi Dangoria or Dharmendra Pradhan Dangoria duijone they takes NRL always in a different footing because again NRL has a emotional connect with people of Assam so NRL will soon become by 2024 NRL will become a refinery with 9 million metric ton capacity so if you put a thumb rule jodi 3 MMT ta ami 500 koti pao when it will become 9 MMT it will definitely will get 1500 crores annually so that is one business sense But otherwise also, NRLত কিছুমান নতুন কাম হৈ আছে পাৰাদীপৰ পৰা ক্ৰুড পাইপলাইন তেওঁলোকে বহুৱাইছে যি ক্ৰুড পাইপলাইনৰ জৰিয়তে not only capacity will be enhanced for Numaligarh, even the capacity of Bongaigaon, Guwahati refinery আৰু Numaligarh refinery তিনিটাৰে capacity বাঢ়িব আগত আমি বহুদিন আগতে কথা পাতিছিলো যে অসমৰ তেল বাৰাউনিলৈ লৈ যায় now 6 million metric ton crude will come to Assam ইয়াত ৰিফাইন হ'ব আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি মায়ানমাৰ বাংলাদেশ ভাৰতৰ বিভিন্ন স্থানলৈকে ৰিফাইনাৰী তেল আমি বিক্ৰী কৰিম যেতিয়া আমি তেল বিক্ৰী কৰো অইল ইণ্ডিয়াই হওক নুমলীগড়ে হওক অইলে তেল উলিয়াই আমি তিনিটা কম্পোনেন্টত ধন পাওঁ এটা ৰয়েলিটি পাওঁ এটা তেওঁলোকে যিমান তেল উলিয়াব তাৰ ওপৰত আমি ভ্যাট পাওঁ আৰু after all government of India ji excise duty pai tar pra akko amaleke devolutionot puji ahe so oil and petroleum sector last press conference ot moi koisilu je without oil and petroleum sector Assam will face a very bleak future ohomor bhobishot andhokar hoi poribo so that is why we keep on supporting our oil companies তাত কোনো শোষণৰ কথা নাই বঞ্চনাৰ কথা নাই they are contributing to the Assam economy আৰু যথেষ্ট কৰিছে so now our target is that Numaligarhত 9 MMT capacity by 2024 আহিব লাগে আৰু অইলৰ আজি অইলে 3 million metric ton crude উলিয়াই it should go up to 4 million metric ton তেতিয়া Numaligarhত আমি বাহিৰৰ পৰা কমাই আনিলেও হ'ব our own crude can go to Numaligarh or otherwise we will be আমি বাহিৰৰ ক্ৰুডৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰিব লাগিব so today's our investment symbolically অসমৰ এটা কিমান সুন্দৰ ভৱিষ্যত আছে অসমৰ তাক আমি আজি আমি দেখুৱাব পাৰিছো আমাৰ ইনভেষ্টমেন্ট 26% হ'ব coupled with that NRL will become 9 million metric ton aru NRL or bhitorot 5 lakhs bamboo bosorot consume kori biorefinery jot ethanol bonabo jor ethanol will be mixed with diesel another eta sustainable energy create korar karone another biorefinery within the NRL tat choli ase now all these initiative Assam government আমি 26% ownership আমাৰ লগত থাকিব so basically এটা সুন্দৰ দিনৰ আৰম্ভণি মই অসমৰ ৰাইজক অনুৰোধ কৰিম যে অইল যিমানে গ্ৰো কৰিব we get gas আৰু এই gas আমি কোট প্ৰসেস কৰো Assam Gas Company Assam Gas Company has 3-4 projects with Oil India Duliajan Numaligarh gas pipeline Sa baganok gas dibor karne ami Assam Gas Company aru amar majot joint venture ase aru finally Purbo Bharati Gas Company buli ami eta korisu jot gas grid boni ase Ohomor bahiror pra gas ahibo Ohomor bhitoror gas nohoy ji gasok ami CNG aru domestic gas connectionor karne Guwahati Hailakandi Chilsor Korimganjot ami ব্যবহার করিম and gradually to all the district headquarters again oil amar logot partnership ot ase on Assam Petrochemical jot ami another 4 months or 3 months from now we are going to inaugurate another 1500 crore investment project jor pro ami ki banai ase to methanol we are producing so Oil India ETA as a central government organization. But along with that, oil is our development partner in Assam Gas Company, Assam Petrochemicals, DNP, Duliajan Numaligarh Company, and in Purbo Bharati, full Purbo Bharati mean? Purbo Bharati and Indradhanus. So, on this 5 Assam government company, oil is our partner. Oil has investment. So, মই অলপ দীঘলীয়াকৈ কৈছো, just to appreciate that what kind of things are going on behind the curtain. Manuhe lahe lahe people will appreciate more and more that what kind of contribution Oil India is contributing. Numoligor,